So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and then type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. Now once you're on this, you want to expand HG class's root, and then you want to scroll down until you find .exe. You want to find the .exe folder. You want to click on it, and then you want to click on default. You want to make sure that the value data says exe file on it. If it says anything else, you want to type in exe file and then click on OK. Now for the second step, you want to stay on this, but you want to keep on scrolling down until you find exe file, so without the dot. So you might scroll down quite a bit. You want to find exe file, here it is, click on it, and then you want to click on default. Double click on default, and now in the value data, you want to type in apostrophe %1 apostrophe %, and then click on OK. I'm also going to leave this down below in the description, you can copy and paste it. Now once you've done that, now you want to expand the exe file folder, and then you want to expand shell, and then you want to click on the open folder. Now once you're in this folder, you want to double click on default, and you want to do the same thing. Apostrophe %1 apostrophe %, and then click on OK. Now you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.